everyone. This is Kinshasa. We have a special announcement. Today is National Dog Day, which is my favorite day. That's right, everybody. Talking about dogs is my favorite animal of the year. Of all times. Sorry about that. Yeah, I know. Dogs are my favorite animal because they're men's best friends. They're so loyal, helping. Sometimes they're so funny one. But in the cartoon, they were a hilarious one, like talking dogs. Make some funny dog sounds like that one. It's pretty great. Besides, I'm always an expert of those dogs, talking about stuff. So anyway, thanks to everyone who made a suggestion for a voice impression of the dog character. Let's find out who should be right now. Good luck, guys! That's my favorite character, Rufus. It's my favorite. I got you's good. I could have ripped your throats out, but I didn't. But I could have. I will never eat that pill like that again, unless it's coming to peanut butter. I mean, come on, right? It's peanut butter. Oh, I miss her so much. What? Oh my, oh, she's back! What took so long? Why did you... Oh, come on! Oh, I miss her so much. Oh, but I am scared of the toaster. There'll be toasters there. That was so hilarious, dog characters, don't you think, guys? Yeah, right. Anyway, thanks to you for watching for National Dog Day voice expression character videos. I'm Kinshasa Walker, and I will see you next time. Time to roughen it so good.